Hello everyone, welcome to Inkscape tutorial series. In this video we'll learn about Inkscape menu bar. In menu bar you can there is different tab: file, edit, view, layer, object path, text, filter, extension. For now let's look in view. Zoom. If you want to zoom in, you can go to view and zoom in. Here is zoom in, view, zoom in, and under the zoom you can find zoom out. There is some standard map of zoom. You can zoom one by one. This is the one by one view, and go to zoom on 2 by 1. View, place grid. If you want place grid, it will look like this. Go to view menu once again, page grid. I don't want page grid, so uncheck that. Zoom, I'm going to zoom it one by one, and this is in here. Scroll little bit down and right side. Once again go to view, color manage view, show and hide. You can hide different commands bar. You can hide command bar, snap, control bar. Let's see how in right hand side you can see this command bar. Hide and show commands bar. You can see this command bar is once again pop up. And let's see another bar: hide, show and hide, snap, control bar. And hide once again. Go to toolbox. It's gone from left hand side. Once again check in toolbox. Ruler means that is called ruler. Under the top and left hand side. Let's check out ruler. It's gone. If you check once again, it will pop up. Let's see, scroll bars is gone from there. Right hand side and left hand side. Sorry, right hand side and bottom of the screen. Once again show the scroll bar is once again pop up. This is scroll bar. I need scroll bar, so I just palette. It's gone, the color palette. You can show the color palette below the scroll bar. Once again this is scroll bar. Once again this is color palette and status bar. Under the color bar called status bar. In status bar you can see the layer number 1, number, no object selected, click right, etc. Let's check another option of view menu. Previous window, if you click there you will go to previous window. I don't have previous window, so it will not work for me. Next window, I don't have next window, so it's also will not work for me. And there is another option called icon preview. In here you can find there is different kind of icon preview. You can click on different actual size of 16 by 16 selection. I don't know how does it works. Duplicate window, you can duplicate this window by clicking here. Now if your mouse take down in Inkscape, you can see the C2 window. the actual window is this one and the duplicated one is this one. So I am closing the duplicated one, this one my actual one. Let's go to view menu once again. If you want to see the full screen, you can see like this. We go to view and full screen made. This this is default made, custom made. There are some there will be some time in future we will work in different made, custom made, default made. It's not necessary to work with custom or default made. What you feel easy to work with, that's how you need to go with the made. I like white made. This one is perfect. This one is also default of Inkscape preview made. So I'm going with white. If you want to go with default or custom made, it's okay. If you if you click default and you want to work with default, then it's okay. The right hand side menu, only the right hand side menu will be come up in the top of the window here. You can find that menu. When we view white made, this menu will be gone there, the right hand side of the screen. So that's all for this video. Thank you and see you in my next video.